Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm having a fantastic day. Some fresh new hair. New hair don't care. Love it so much. I did some dark vampirism, kind of wild makeup to go with it. A little crazy. A little different on each eye, but that's okay. They're sisters. They're cousins, not sisters. And today we have FabFitFun to unbox. This is the smallest FabFitFun box I've ever had. And there's a mystery package, a mystery bundle in here. And a lot of things I chose were not large things, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Try not to break a nail. And it says, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. And it's totally true. I'm going to blend this out a little. Makes me feel better. Winter 2023. I'm excited. And it looks like we've got our mystery bundle right here. We'll dig into this. This is a very small mystery bundle. It is $19.99. It is part of the, you can subscribe. I subscribe to it every quarter. So I may not always be able to afford the large mystery bundle, but I can get the small one. It's like 20 bucks. And I always get more than $20 worth of stuff. So, sweetness. So let's start here. Wow. Some hair ties. And Zoe Alia. There's a couple little satiny pink ones. Very cute. And then we've got a big one with a bow. Definitely not my style, but very cute. Somebody will like that in their Christmas package. Ooh, ooh, this is exciting. It's so exciting. I love hair stuff. And, you know, I got some R&Co Blowout Balm, Park Avenue. And it says it's designed for blowouts. It gives a freshly styled, smooth, sophisticated look. Work through damp hair and blow dry. And I will be doing that with this. I'm really excited. See if I can smell it. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Let's see if I can get the seal off. Ooh, it smells good. It is going in my bathroom. And this is, I know, probably 25 bucks. 25, 30 bucks. This is probably a good 15, 20. But yet, there's more. And I'm really excited about what's in here because it feels like glasses. Feels like sunglasses. And I give a friend of mine sunglasses every year for her birthday. And these are Kate Spade. I hope it's glasses. So that'll make me look extra bougie giving her some Kate Spade glasses for her birthday. Ooh, and they're aviators. Very cool. Very cool. These are super feminine style aviators and super nice. Super nice. She's going to love them. Her birthday's not till September, but I'm glad to have them. One less present I have to buy next year. That is fantastic. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful mystery bundle. All right. Now let's get into here. And here is a little scratch off thing. Scratch and match the same 3 colored logos in a row to win. I'll scratch and see if I win later. And this says Family Switch. It's a Christmas mix-up. And it says scratch to see if you want a gift. So I'll scratch. I'll be scratching a lot. Then I have a HelloFresh thing. Sometimes we like to do the HelloFresh. So I'll keep that. Now we'll get into the things that are in the box. First off, I'm definitely not taking this out of the package, especially with all this crazy makeup I have on. And this is a Coach headband, and this is a gift for a friend of mine. She does not watch the channel. So this is going to be one of her gifts, and this is a very nice gift. And it totally looks like her style and everything. I picked this especially as a gift for a friend of mine. Next up, we didn't get a booklet. We usually get a booklet with the packages. So, and this is from Haps. I've never heard of Haps before, but it is a wick trimmer. So instead of just using regular old scissors, you can use a nice wick trimmer. And I love candles. And this is, I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, but it's got, you open it and it just snips the wick. And it's nice and long, so if you have a tall candle, very cool. That is definitely a nice thing to have on hand. Next we have Dolce Eau de Parfum by Rosie Jane. I don't know what this smells like, but it says it's a clean, safe formula and good packaging, no virgin force, no single-use plastics ever. And all right, it's a beautiful package and it's a nice size. All right. I like that. It's very earthy, it's very warm. That's nice. That's gonna be a gift, but it's gonna be a nice gift because perfume is a great gift. And that smells delightful. Speaking of perfume, we also have Commodity is one of my favorite perfume brands, and this is a full size of the Milk perfume, and it smells great. I'm trying to see if it says what's in here, but there's different strengths of perfume that they make in Commodity, and the different dots represent how strong it is. And they have personal, which is 1 dot. This is expressive, and then there's bold, which is like a little circle for the bold. So this is the mid-range scent space. I'm excited. This is going to be another Christmas gift. This is an $80 perfume. This is probably at least a $35 perfume. Speaking of gifts, this is a beautiful necklace. Look at that. That is going to be another great gift. Beautiful necklace. And then we have from Olaplex, number 9, Bond Protecting Nourishing Hair Serum. This says antioxidants rich serum protects, softens, improves manageability of all hair types. And I obviously have color treated hair. As I said, it's brand new. But I'm going to use this on my hair. And this is a weightless, multi-benefit antioxidant serum that provides pollution protection and protects all hair types and textures. It's a heat protector up to 400 and 50 degrees. So I've got 2 great heat protectors. And that is it. That's my box. It was great while it lasted. But to recap, we got the Olaplex. We got a perfume. We got another perfume. Did I say necklace? Hair stuff. Wick trimmer. And a Coach headband. This is a bunch of great gifts for the most part. And I'm very excited about it. And I hope that you've enjoyed me unboxing my FabFitFun. It was very quick, to the point, since we didn't have a little magazine to read from. But I hope you have a great day or day of choice. And I'm so glad I'm an annual member. I got to choose everything all at once. I didn't have to worry about anything going out of style or out of order. So I'm excited. I love it so much. Have a great day.